Hi, Assalamualaikum to Dr. Nabil and Madam Ratna. My name is Nur Izzati Binti from Binti Section 1. Today I would like to present my final year project. For my final year project topic is Reviewing Safety Measure Case of Malaysian Worker on Food Delivery System. For background of the study, delivery riders are a fast-moving population that provides service to a diverse range of clients, including the elderly and those who are less likely to leave their home for basic needs. According to Conway et al. 2020, accidents involving sleeping and falling. Unfortunately, there isn't much that can be done to limit these dangers. Having the right insurance is a smart place to start. However, could also consider training drivers to be aware of the dangers. Next, for the problem statement, food deliverers on motorcycle are at risk of being involved in road accident while attempt to gain as much commission as possible with high delivery rates. Other than that, these food delivery systems are useful to motorcycle riders and consumers, but at the same time, we need to know the cost risks and dangers to motorbike riders. According to the statistic on 18 April 2021, a total of 91 accident cases which involve the delivery of parcel and food items using motorcycle were recorded last year in 2020 and found that 15% of riders were found to have used mobile phone while on the road. Therefore, this study is to understand and evaluate, identify factors that lead workers involved in accident and to suggest possible solutions to reduce workers in accident amount to food delivery. Next, research question and research objective. In this, the researcher found three research questions with three research objectives. For research question, first is what is the current safety situation of food delivery workers dealing with delivery service? Second is what are the factors that lead delivery food workers involved in road accident? And the last is what are the possible solutions to reduce road accident among delivery food workers? For the research objective, first is to understand and evaluate the current situation of food delivery workers who use delivery service. Second is to identify and analyze factors that lead delivery food workers using app to involve in road accident. And the last is to suggest and produce possible solutions to reduce road accident among delivery food workers. Next, for the scope of study, first is focus on workers on food delivery system. Second is workers that had experience in food delivery service. For the location, the researchers target all workers on food delivery in Malaysia. For the literature review, it found that one construct-dependent variable with 5 construct-independent variables. For construct-dependent variable is road accidents among workers. For construct-independent variable, first is technology error. Second is human-related error. Third is lack of safety training. Fourth is careless. And last is organizational factor. Next, for theoretical framework, it found 5 independent variables, which are technology error, human-related error, lack of safety training, careless, and organizational factor. For dependent variable is road accidents among workers. For proposed hypothesis, we can see that technology error, human-related error, lack of safety training, careless, and organizational factor has a positive significant relationship on road accident among food delivery workers. Next, for the research methodology. First is research design. Second is research methodology by using quantitative method. Third is data collection method using questionnaire by using Likert scale 1 to 5 from strongly disagree to strongly agree. Next is demographic analysis. Next is sampling method by use purposive sampling technique. And the last is survey data analysis by use PLS SEM approach. Next is for the data analysis, and the researcher used Smart PLS variance-based structural equation model to see the measurement model and structural model. So this is features of measurement model. This is a table of construct item loading to see the composite reliability and average variance extracted. So this is a table for Fornell-Ledker criterion. This is a table of discriminant validity heterotic monotric ratio HTMT. Next, this is a table of cross-loading of the items. Besides, for the structural model, we can see that the coefficient of determination R² for row exceedance among workers, which is 0.478. Next, the table of result for effect size F². Next, we can see the table of hypothesis testing direct effect. Next, for the hypothesis testing summary, we can see that 3 hypotheses were accepted and 2 hypotheses were rejected. 3 hypotheses were accepted, which are human-related error, organizational factors, and technology error. While 2 hypotheses were rejected, which are careless and lack of safety training. Next, for these figures, we can see that the figure of structural model, which the table of hypothesis testing for direct effect. Next, for the discussion and conclusion, for objective 1, first is to understand and evaluate the current situation of food delivery workers who use delivery service. In this objective, we can see that the respondent answer for they have involved in any accidents while they were. Second is to know what are the type of application that the workers use to reach applications such as Google Maps or GrabWays or others. For the second objective, which is to identify and analyze factors that lead delivery food workers using app to involve in road accident. In this objective, we can see that 3 hypotheses were accepted and 2 hypotheses were rejected. And the last is for objective 3 to suggest and produce possible solution to reduce road accidents among delivery food workers. In this objective, the human-related error is the highest positively associated to road accidents among workers. The method for minimize risk and as a result ensuring worker health and safety when working in high-risk environment, the type of traffic violation committed and the workplace condition that create the concern. Next is research significant. First is give more safety procedures to the workers on food delivery. Second is safety measures to the workers when they use apps during the delivery section. And the last is make an improvement on the food delivery system, such as when the workers working on screen when do the delivery, they try to change it to audio preference. So that's all from me. Thank you.